Hello children, we are going to read Peppa Pig, Peppa and the Police Car book today. Please subscribe my channel for more reading videos. Let's start reading. Peppa Pig, Peppa and the Police Car. Today at the playgroup, the children are waiting for some very special visitors. The police are coming to help you ride your bike safely, says Madame Gazelle. Hooray! The police drive noisy cars, cries Freddy Fox. Nina, Nina. That's not right, Freddy, says Peppa. Police car goes woo, woohoo. Just then, there is a loud police siren. Hello, 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 says Officer Panda and Officer Squirrel. We are here to help you learn to ride your bike safely. Now, children, says Officer Squirrel. Officer Panda will drive to the bottom of the hill. When you hear the siren, cycle down the hill. When you hear it again, use your brakes to stop, says Officer Squirrel. Officer Panda puts on the siren. The children set off on their bikes. They whizzed down the hill. Whee! Officer Panda and Madame Gazelle watch as Peppa and her friends zoom towards them. Sometimes being a police officer can be a dangerous job, says Officer Panda. He sounds the siren so everyone will put on their brakes. As soon as they hear the siren, the children use their brakes. Screech! They stop just in front of the police car. Very good braking, says Officer Panda. Well done. That's how to ride your bicycle safely. The children clap and Officer Panda sounds the siren again. Are there any questions? Says Officer Squirrel. Do you think your siren goes woo-woo or Nina? Asks Peppa. It goes like that, says Officer Panda. He and Officer Squirrel get into the car and put on the siren. Everyone loves the siren. All done. Thank you.